Good morning, YouTubes. We're here out today. Stittsville is pretty cold. We're at the local school. It's a PD day today, which means the school is closed. Today we're going to be doing a little experiment. We've got a skating rink here with a net that goes around it. We're going to do an optical illusion of the drone flying through the net. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to have it on this side of the net. I'm going to go very close to the net and fly backwards. And then I'm going to do the same thing from the other side and fly backwards. And then in post-processing, we're going to see if we can stitch that all together, make it look like it's smoothly flying through. So let's give it a shot. So I'm going to be using the display to check the height, so I can get an exact height. Let's take off. Okay there, YouTube, so that didn't work out quite the way I wanted. First attempt, I forgot to turn on the record button. Second attempt, the camera was not facing the right angle for on one side of the net as it was on the other, so I'm going to show you that one in a couple of minutes. It's not too bad, but not perfect. And the third attempt, I got a little bit too close to the net, had a little crash. Everything was fine, but I think that turned off the recording, so once again I missed recording it, and obviously I'm going to say that was going to be the best one. So in a couple of seconds you're going to see the attempt that I did get, and it's not bad, but it just looks a little bit off, so we'll try that again. It's pretty cold out there today, so I'm not going out there again. My fingers are freezing, but you kind of get the idea of what I was going for, and I think it can look pretty cool once I get it right. I just need some better weather and some more practice, and we'll get there. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you out and about. So this is the start of the clip, and this clip is actually in reverse. So I started super close to the net and went backwards, and then you'll see there the next clip, the camera is actually tilted down, so it didn't look right. So next time we'll get there. Thanks for watching.